guys, how's it going? It's a nice sunny Sunday. It's about midday and today we will be servicing my car. I picked up a few goodies over the week to service the car that we have here. So I'll go through them real quick. I was just recording something! Alright guys, so now that we have the car in position, we're just gonna check the oil, but I'm pretty sure it's like super black. I usually do it every 5,000, but it's been like 8,000. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough hands for this. Give me 1 sec. So, steady. Okay, let's see how dark my oil is. Yeah, okay, it's not good. So as I expected, it's like pitch black. It shouldn't be like that at all. So to start, we will be jacking the car up and just draining the old oil out. So first things first, jack the car up and then undo the plug. So the next thing to the oil change is you want to get your welder's helmet? Whoa, let's go over. Am I cooked? Hey, it went black! I saw my whole face! How do you do that? It's not working anymore. Oh, I got it! So underneath the car now, I don't know if we can see this, so where am I? There's a plug, camera can't focus. That plug, I think if that's what I see on the screen, that's our sump, so we're going to undo that and that's where the oil will come out. So let's start draining the oil. It's also a good tip that your oil is a little bit warm so that it drains a little bit faster. Just speeds up the process a lot and more of the car can be drained and it's not so seized up. I'm gonna position our tray now. I hope that's gonna be about right. I'm gonna get oil all over me. I can't even undo it. I think I got it. I'm pretty scared. Okay, I think I'm about to pull the plug out. Oh! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. That is black. Can you pass the camera? So, as you can see, that is pretty much pitch black. You can see my hand. Yep, so we'll give that a couple minutes to drain and then we'll top up the new oil. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so the oil's pretty much finished draining now. That's the color of it. That's very yuck. That's terrible. Poor car. So now we'll plug the sump up, and change the oil filter. think that's on there tightly. Wipe it up a bit. Okay, so here we got our Nismo oil filter, and it says it is for RB25DET, which is my engine. So it looks a little something like this. And all we're going to do, you can see here, that blue filter over there. We just got to unscrew that and put that where it sits. So apparently, my dad says that when I take the original filter off, there's going to be a lot of oil coming out. So I've got to think which way is best to go. Go this way. Oh, I can't even do it. There we go. I can hear oil running. It's like hot. So here is the oil filter. That's just disgusting. So they say to like put a bit of oil on the rim here to help seal it. I don't know how true that is, but I just saw it in another YouTube video. So we'll do the same. Alright. Alright, oil filter is on. It's a lot smaller actually than that blue one, but if you're a Nissan owner and into cars, everyone's like saying Nismo is the greatest, so that's what we'll use. We'll join the bandwagon. Let's give it a quick wipe. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that's it. That's the filter on. Okay, it did leak onto a few things. Apparently that's okay. Alrighty, oil filter done. So now it's time to top up the oil. So when you're topping up the oil, so you're gonna put 4 liters of this in. And then we'll run the car for a few minutes and then check the oil levels. So you can see whilst I'm doing this that the color of the oil is extremely different to what mine was. It's kind of satisfying. So it's checking now. I've put in 3.5 liters. And that's pretty much full. Alright, so we'll just run the car now for a bit and then we'll check the oil levels. Alrighty. So, car's on. I'm going to run it for a couple of minutes and then I'll check the dipstick, check the oil levels. Other than that, if it's all good, it's at the right level, we'll probably got to add about another 300 mils is what the forums say. So we'll just see how much oil I've taken out. otherwise, that's pretty much the oil change done. Super simple, something new for me, just something I need to learn with the car as well. And then hopefully next week it'll be brake rotors. But yeah, we'll just wait a bit and see what happens. So we'll see. Could probably top up a little bit more oil. We wipe this. It's not black. So we're just cleaning the dipstick, and for the people who aren't really car people, we have L and H, low and high. We want our oil to sit somewhere in that edged area. That's when you know you've got enough oil. So we'll find out now. And we are sitting just a bit low, tiny amount. So I've just topped up a bit more oil. We're gonna have a look and see if that oil is at the right level now. Okay, so yeah, it's a little better. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that. That's kind of in the middle of the etched area. Alrighty. And that's pretty much how to do an oil change. It's really weird, I haven't done one before, owning Skylines for like 3 years now. Just always had people do the work for me, but figured I'd learn to do such simple things. So that's it for today's video, guys, for this week. It was just a simple oil change service. Next week it'll be brakes and rotors. For now, the car's looking pretty filthy because we've had a lot of rain, so I'm going to give it a quick wash and then just enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'll see you guys next week.